Imagine this. You've got $100,000 ready to invest, but here's the catch. You're stuck. The options are overwhelming. Should you go for the potential thrills of the stock market, the stability of bonds, or the long-term promise of real estate? Each path feels uncertain, and choosing the wrong one could mean leaving thousands, maybe millions, on the table. And while putting it in a savings account feels safe, it's actually the riskiest move of all. Why? Because inflation eats away at your money every single year. But here's the good news. With the right strategy, that $100,000 can do much more than sit idle. What if I told you there's a way to turn it into a powerhouse portfolio, paying you more than $20,000 in monthly dividends? In this video, we'll explore 5 carefully selected Schwab ETFs designed to maximize growth, stability, and income. When it comes to investing, few names stand as tall as Charles Schwab. Known for their low fees and commitment to accessible investing, Schwab's ETFs have become a go-to choice for both seasoned investors and those just starting out. With options that balance growth, stability, and income, their lineup makes it easier to navigate the overwhelming world of investments. In this video, I'll introduce you to 5 Schwab ETFs that could transform your $100,000 investment into a portfolio worth millions. These ETFs aren't just about making money, they're about doing it smartly. Each one is handpicked for its unique strengths, from delivering consistent growth to generating passive income through dividends. By the end, you'll see exactly how these ETFs can help you build a portfolio that grows steadily while paying you back every month. Whether you're looking to retire comfortably or just want your money to work harder for you, this is the strategy you've been searching for. When building wealth through investing, diversification is the name of the game. That's why the Schwab US Broad Market ETF, ticker symbol SCB, is the perfect foundation for any portfolio. This ETF gives you exposure to the entire US stock market, over 2,400 companies from every sector. Whether it's the fast-paced growth of tech giants like Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, or the stability of the financial and healthcare sectors, SCB has it all. Let's break it down. Technology makes up about 31.5% of the fund. Financials hold 13.36%, and healthcare follows with 11.43%. This balanced allocation ensures you're not putting all your eggs in one basket, while still benefiting from growth-driven sectors. The numbers speak for themselves. Over the past 5 years, SCB has delivered a total return of 177.29%, with a 1-year return of 22.64%. Even its dividend payouts have shown consistent growth, with a 10-year compound annual growth rate of 6.86%. This means your passive income increases year after year, alongside the value of your investment. Now, here's where it gets exciting. Let's say you invest $100,000 into SCB. With its historical average annual return of 11.42%, that investment could grow to over $2.6 million in 30 years. On top of that, you'd earn nearly $20,000 annually in dividends, income you could use to pay bills, travel, or reinvest for even greater returns. SCB isn't just an ETF, it's the backbone of a diversified, growth-oriented portfolio. But this is only the beginning. Serious about investing? Then you need the right tools. TradingView gives you advanced charts, price alerts, and real-time data, all in one place. Whether you're tracking ETFs, stocks, or crypto, stay ahead of the game. Check the link in the description. The next ETF focuses on some of the biggest and most stable companies in the market, offering reliability and steady growth. Every great portfolio needs a strong core, and the Schwab US Large Cap ETF, ticker symbol SCHX, delivers exactly that. This fund is designed to capture the performance of the largest and most stable companies in the US market. Think of it as a who's who of blue-chip stocks. SCHX holds around 750 of the biggest names in the market, with technology leading the way at 32.7%, followed by financials at 13.12%, and healthcare at 11.23%. Its top holdings include household names like Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, and Meta. These companies have a proven track record of weathering market volatility while delivering consistent returns, making them a reliable choice for investors seeking long-term growth. Compared to similar ETFs, SCHX stands out for its ultra-low expense ratio, meaning more of your money stays invested rather than eaten up by fees. Over the past 5 years, the fund has returned an impressive 181.02%, reflecting its ability to consistently generate value for shareholders. Here's what that means for you and your $100,000 investment. With SCHX's historical average annual return of 11.79%, your portfolio could grow to over $2.9 million in 30 years. But the best part? The fund's dividend payouts grow alongside your investment. By year 30, you could be earning nearly $9,000 annually in dividends, providing a steady and growing income stream. SCHX is all about stability and growth, a perfect combination for anyone looking to secure their financial future. But if you're seeking an ETF with a unique twist on picking winners, you'll want to see the next fund on our list. If you're looking for a fund that goes beyond the surface, the Schwab Fundamental US Broad Market ETF, ticker symbol FNDB, might be exactly what you need. Unlike traditional ETFs that prioritize market capitalization, FNDB takes a different approach, one based on fundamental metrics like revenue, cash flow, and dividends. This method helps identify companies with strong financial health and long-term growth potential. With over 1,800 holdings, FNDB spreads your investment across multiple sectors, ensuring a diverse and balanced portfolio. Financials take the lead at 18.46%, followed by technology at 16.9% and healthcare at 11.14%. Alongside heavyweights like Apple and Microsoft, FNDB includes value-oriented names like JP Chase and ExxonMobil, making it a blend of growth and stability. Performance-wise, FNDB is no slouch. Its 5-year total return of 162.35% demonstrates its ability to generate impressive gains, even during fluctuating market conditions. The fund also boasts a solid 10-year dividend compound annual growth rate of 12.48%, meaning your income from this ETF grows significantly over time. So, what does this mean for your $100,000? With FNDB's average annual return of 9.92%, your investment could grow to approximately $1.64 million over 30 years. By that time, you'd also be earning over $27,000 annually in dividends, a consistent and passive income stream that rewards your patience. FNDB offers a unique opportunity to capture both growth and value while maintaining a robust income strategy. But the next ETF takes things a step further by focusing on large-cap companies with a methodology that zeroes in on financial fundamentals. When it comes to stability and long-term growth, large-cap companies are the backbone of most successful portfolios. The Schwab Fundamental US Large Company ETF, ticker symbol FNDX, takes this idea to the next level by applying a fundamentally weighted strategy. Instead of relying on market cap alone, this ETF evaluates companies based on key metrics like revenue, cash flow, and dividends. FNDX includes 737 holdings, offering exposure to a mix of financials, 18.64%, technology, 17.3%, and healthcare, 11.48%. Its top investments include familiar names like Apple, Microsoft, and Berkshire Hathaway, alongside value-driven companies like JP Chase and ExxonMobil. These businesses have proven their resilience and growth potential, making them a reliable option for long-term investors. This ETF's performance backs up its strategy. Over the past 5 years, FNDX has delivered total returns of 167.42%, with a strong 10-year dividend compound annual growth rate of 13.3%. This means your dividends don't just provide steady income, they grow over time, compounding your wealth even faster. Let's see what this means for your $100,000 investment. With FNDX's average annual return of 10.08%, your portfolio could grow to approximately $1.75 million over 30 years. Additionally, by reinvesting your dividends, you'd earn over $29,000 annually in income, creating a reliable financial cushion. FNDX combines the power of large-cap stability with a strategy that prioritizes financial fundamentals. It's a smart choice for anyone looking to balance growth with income. But if consistent, high-quality dividends are your priority, the next ETF is a game changer. If your goal is to build a reliable income stream while still growing your portfolio, the Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF, ticker symbol SCHD, is the ultimate choice. This ETF is specifically designed for income-focused investors, targeting companies with a proven history of consistent and growing dividend payouts. SCHD holds 103 carefully selected stocks, with a significant portion allocated to financials, healthcare, and consumer defensive sectors. Among its top holdings are industry giants like Home Depot, Cisco Systems, and Pfizer, representing companies that not only generate consistent income, but also hold their ground in volatile markets. What sets SCHD apart is its impressive dividend performance. With a current yield of 3.39% and a 10-year dividend compound annual growth rate of 11.13%, this ETF ensures your income grows significantly over time. For 12 consecutive years, SCHD has increased its dividend payments, proving its reliability as a cornerstone for income-seeking investors. Now let's talk numbers. If you invested $100,000 in SCHD and let it grow with an average annual return of 8.74%, your portfolio could be worth approximately $1.48 million after 30 years. More importantly, you'd be earning nearly $50,000 annually in dividends by that time. Over $4,000 per month in passive income. This kind of cash flow can transform your financial future, providing both security and flexibility. SCHD isn't just about dividends. It's about creating a sustainable financial plan that works for you. While other funds focus on growth or stability, SCHD gives you the best of both worlds with an emphasis on income. Now that we've covered the individual strengths of these Schwab ETFs, let's talk about how to combine them into a portfolio tailored to your financial goals. Whether you're focused on growth, income, or balance, these ETFs provide the building blocks for a strategy that works in any market. For an aggressive growth strategy, consider allocating 40% to SCB for broad market exposure across 2,400 companies, 30% to SCHX for stability from market leaders like Apple and Microsoft, 20% to FNDB for undervalued opportunities based on fundamentals, and 10% to SCHD to add a modest income stream alongside growth potential. For an income-focused portfolio, allocate 50% to SCHD for its high yield and consistent dividend growth, 25% to SCB for diversification and growing dividends, 15% to FNDB for exposure to financially strong companies, and 10% to FNDX for large-cap stability. Reinvesting dividends from this setup can amplify income over time. For a balanced approach, try 30% in SCB, 25% in SCHX, 20% in SCHD, 15% in FNDB, and 10% in FNDX. This mix combines growth and income, positioning your portfolio for both market resilience and long-term compounding. The beauty of this framework is its flexibility. Adjust percentages based on your risk tolerance and timeline. Young investors might lean towards SCB and SCHX for growth, while retirees may prioritize SCHD for reliable income. Success lies in consistency. Reinvest dividends to harness the power of compounding and rebalance periodically to stay aligned with your goals. With time, discipline, and these 5 ETFs, you can build a portfolio that grows, generates income, and secures your financial future. Investing is all about making informed decisions and taking action. If you're ready to dive deeper into building a diversified portfolio, check out my video on the 5 best Fidelity funds. It's packed with insights that can complement your ETF strategy. And if creating a consistent income stream is your priority, don't miss my guide on dividend stocks to invest for weekly passive income.